So guys, well, it looks like the creek is up. We had a big rain last night and early this morning, and the creek is rising. So I'm about out and have my morning walk this morning, as I always do every morning, unless it's raining, just to enjoy the nature. So check out this tree here. It's got some little berries on it. These are a choke cherry. This tree is loaded with choke cherries this year. So the mulberries are starting to get ripe on this tree. It's first part of May that is already starting to get red, and this tree is just loaded with these wonderful mulberries. If you've never had mulberries, these are so delicious when they're black, like a blackberry. See, that one's almost ripe. These are so delicious, guys. So you can see the water is just really rolling down the creek. It's really rolling. This tree here leaning, that's a willow tree. You can see the willow leaves on it. I kind of like these trees. They're really beautiful. This one's blooming. You can see the blooms. It got kind of windy too. Look at the tree over there that blew over last night. But that creek is sure rolling. So it looks like the sun's trying to peek out. It may turn off to be a really beautiful day. So you can see the water is really moving. It's it keeps coming up. It keeps rising. So, but don't worry, I'm in a safe area, so we'll be all right. It's a beautiful tree. I like these trees. I don't know what they are, but they have a berry on them. I'm kind of thinking if they're like a cran apple or some kind of cran type of a berry. So here's another tree. It's really vibrant in red color. It has some very beautiful red colors I've showed in other videos. So you can kind of see some of those red colors come out in that green. These are very, very nice trees to have in your landscaping. Very lovely tree. Okay guys, that's my video for today. If you enjoyed today's video and the content, smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you get every one of my videos and the content. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.